What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2014 Chevy Cruze. So basically you come over here to the passenger side, you drop the glove box down, you're gonna see that little clip there, release tab, sort of say. You just pull that into free. Same thing on this side. Before you do that, always take everything out of the glove box because it's gonna drop right down as soon as you release those tabs. So just take everything out of the glove box. Release this side tab. That little clip comes out of there. I'll show you how to put those back. This one I just released like that. Let me set this down because the glove box is going to drop right down. Sometimes the little tabs stay in there. Sometimes they come out and they look like this. I'll show you how to install that. Glove box drops right down. It hangs on here with a clip and here with a clip too. So cabin filter is right back in here. So you have this, you have to pry right here on this tab to release that on both sides. After you do that, I normally get once. Well, I would usually get both at one time. Let me set this down and show you how I actually do it. Okay, there we go. I get both hands in there. And there's one clip at the top that you're going to need to get with a pocket screwdriver. That's that thing. So basically this tab right there goes up in there. So what you got to do is you got to get a pocket screwdriver in there and pry up. And that releases that tab. And there is the filthy cabin filter. This thing has definitely been in here for the life of the car. This particular vehicle has 73,000 miles on it. But so you get in there and you pry this thing on out of there. Come on, cabin filter. And that's how it comes out of there. It slides right on out. And then you always want to install the way you see it come out. These things have a filter. On the filter it has an arrow. So you just want to have the arrows pointed down. This means the airflow is coming in the car, going down. Okay. So you just take this and you slide that on in there. Once you got it in there, you just push the tabs. You got 3 tabs. You got the one on this side, and the one on that side, and the one at the top. After that, that's done. The cabin filter is installed. So you take the glove box, and if you look in this left corner, you have this, and that fits on there. And same thing on the other side. So same thing right there. Okay, let's sit right there. And that clips in place, just like on that side. That clips in place. Okay, then you have those tabs that I was telling you about. Trying to maneuver this camera around to stay still. Okay, you have this tab, and this came out. So it closes just like that. So now you have these tabs to install. So you take this in first, you get it in there, and you fit it in there. So let's see. So there's that little square hole right there. So what you want to do is you get that in first. This is going to be hard while holding the camera. So you take this, you get that in there, and you slide that in there like that. And that clips. That's the one side. And you do the same thing on the other side. Where's the clip at? Okay, right here. So you take that, you go just like that. It has to be passed. And that's it. That's how you install a cabin filter on a 2014 Chevy Cruze. So to run through it again, passenger side, glove box. You got this one clip, this one clip. You can just release this by pulling on the side, and that releases that from behind there. After that drops down, you got the one cover It's a pretty easy procedure when you're not holding the camera. It should take under 3 minutes to do. If I helped you guys out, shoot me a thumbs up, and thank you.